Hello friends, today in this video I am going to explain you about the thing which everybody wants badly in life, that is success. I am going to explain briefly about what is success, how do you define your success, measures to get successful in life. Watch this video till the end and it will definitely help you focus towards your goals. Let's start. Everybody in this world, irrespective of in which professions they are, we all want to be successful in life, in our professions. Whether you are an entrepreneur or a student, whether you are searching for jobs or you are a monk, we all need to be successful in our respective fields. Yes, our desired goals are different. Our objectives to get our job done is different. But what is surprising is our road to success pass through same obstacles. We all have to follow that rough and tough path to get success. What is success? Success simply just means able to do things you love the most. It could mean a sense of accomplishment or career progression, or being able to buy your desired luxurious items that will make you happy and get financial freedom to fulfill your dreams. Success is something that makes you truly happy and help you to reach your highest potential, something you enjoy doing thoroughly. And at the same time, it opens you to new challenges that help you grow mentally, spiritually, and professionally. Success is less about how much money you make, how many houses do you have, and how powerful you are. In our society, our traditional view of success is money, fame, and power. But why it is then so many celebrities, public figures who own all these things are desperately unhappy in their life? Is this what success is all about? No. Success is more about how fulfilled you are, how happy you are with your progress in life. It's about the impact you make in your community and in your society. How loved you are by the people who matters to you the most. How do you define your success? First of all, success is an individual concept and it varies person-wise. If you are still now struggling to find out what should your idea of success, take a piece of paper and pen and answer these simple questions. What makes you happy? Where do you imagine yourself at peak of your success? How will you feel achieving that? In which time period of your life you felt unsuccessful? And what did you learn from there? Who do you admire in your life and why? What truly matters to you? How do you want to be remembered in this world in future? Answer all these questions and make your own success blueprint out of these answers. Take the first step. Don't wait, act. There will never be a perfect time to start. The more you do research about something, the more you will feel like you are not ready. Start taking small actions continuously. Set small goals, set time limit. Give your best to complete that goal in that given time limit. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Eliminate your weakness. Find your weakness which hamper your progress towards your goals. Work on your weakness in daily basis. Then it will be eliminated slowly. Now you can move towards your goals more confidently. When you eliminate your mistakes, you achieve more in less time. Work expands so as to fill the time available for its competition. Make a list of your goals and what you have to do to achieve them. Visualize your success and break it into short-term and long-term goals. Write down all your goals such as professional goals, relationship goals, personal goals for bettering yourself, things you want to experience in life. Make a timeline which will define when you want to achieve what. In simple words, imagine how do you want your life to look like in 10, 15 or 20 years and work towards these goals consistently. Divide these goals into must do, can do and don't do category. Remember, the most important thing is to focus on one task at a time. Stick to your goals. Planning is nothing without discipline. Always stay determined towards your goals. Know your personal limits, then plan and act according to that. A determined person achieves his goals faster than an intelligent person. Discipline determines destiny. Don't just set targets, but track your progress towards it. Stay fully committed towards your goals. Don't settle yourself in a comfortable situation till you get your desired success. Show up. Don't break down. Don't give up because you failed in an attempt or because you made a mistake. No matter what happens to you, you have to show up every day. Making mistakes is totally okay, but don't feel low due to that. Start again with a better plan. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, and this time more intelligently. You must know that Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, and before that he failed in several hundred attempts. So when he asked in an interview, "How do you feel after so many failed attempts?" his response was great. He said, "I didn't fail, but I learned 100 ways not to invent the light bulb." So try to see your failures as a lesson. Analyze your failed attempts. Study them. Perhaps find a better way to success. Trust your instincts and follow your intuition. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone's life. Follow your dreams, not the dreams your parents want you to follow, not the dreams imposed on you by your society. Trust your instincts. If you strongly believe and desire something, chances are there you may naturally know what things will work for you better to achieve your goal. Have a positive mental attitude. The most important thing to fulfill your goal is having a positive mindset. You need to trust in your ability to succeed. Replace your negative thoughts with positive ones. Never ever doubt yourself. Don't let someone's thinking or negative comment affect you or your dream to stay focused towards your goal. Success has no deadline. Don't rush. Don't get frustrated after some failures. Don't give up. Everybody has their own timeline. You are not bound to get successful at the age of 25 or 26. Some get it at 30, some at 40, some even after 60. At the age of 77, Nelson Mandela became the president of South Africa after spending 27 years in jail. So don't compare your story with others because success has no deadline. Final thoughts. Yes, it is going to be hard. It is going to be hard than it looks like. Success is never easy. No one in history got it so easily, and neither anyone will get it easily in future. You have to grind yourself. It is going to be boring, but you have to enjoy the process. This never-ending process, these hard works, these tough times, these long nights, these early mornings, it is all going to be boring, but it will pay off at last. You know what? Success consists of 99% of boredom and 1% pleasure of completing your goals. You must be strongly determined to go through that 99% of boredom to enjoy that 1% of pleasure of success.